What we see in the field of landscape architecture is that in the end there is sort of two directions. One is towards more design and showing off with cool projects. And on the other hand, the more responsible landscape architect, you could say, that kind of takes the issues very serious but sometimes forgets to make the design. And we're trying to combine the two. We like to do experiments in the office, things that might fail, but of course in the end we're the happiest when sort of this structural improvement and the design come together. We're specialized in landscape architecture, and that's kind of a special field on its own. It's a niche within architecture, you could say, designing parks, squares, gardens, but also bigger ecosystems and regions. So it varies a lot in scale of work, from really large scale, more strategical thinking, to very small scale design. We started in 2006 in Rotterdam. We moved there because, well, at least in the Netherlands, it was sort of the best place to be for architecture. A rough start on the one hand, but on the other hand, it was a good moment because all the other offices were sort of having a difficult time, and we still had sort of a fresh energy and optimism. So it was, I think, a good moment to present ourselves in the Dutch scene. The Adidas campus hasn't been built yet. They're in the construction phase at the moment, but it's quite an interesting project for us. It's very big for us because it's also working in Germany as a Dutch landscape architect is a different game. But it's a big campus that has many interesting pieces of architecture. We tried actually to make the landscape as outspoken as the buildings, to also try to pull out some of the programs that are in the buildings to the landscape, kind of promoting a sort of healthy way of working for the people that work there. Because it's Adidas, of course you think of sports and shoes, but in the end it's mainly people working there that just need a nice working and inspiring working environment.